Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about Rajarajeshwari College of Engineering in Bangalore, and one of the options which is students have requested for review. So that is what I'm covering in this particular video. So this is an AICT approved college and permanently affiliated to VTU Government of Karnataka, and this college started in 2006 under MCET Trust, right? And it is also an ISO 9001 2005 certified college. And the best part of it has now become an autonomous institution from the academic year 24-25. So student will get all the benefits of autonomous college, right? So what effectively that means, all the autonomous colleges degrees will be awarded by in the name of VTU, but the colleges will have academic freedom, in terms of framing the syllabus, which will be customized as per the industry needs, right? Better subject choice electives you will have in the autonomous college. Autonomous colleges will have better control on the examination systems, right? So you don't need to depend on the VTU process and VTU dates and all those things, right? So you have a better flexibility. Choice based credit system is there, more holistic in the autonomous colleges, right? And equal weightage is given both to internal and external examinations, right? And makeup examinations will be happening. Makeup examination or the supplementary examinations are going to happen immediately after the semester results are declared. That is also good, because in VTU colleges there is a lot of delays and sometimes you may lose a year also, and the internship opportunities are always better in the autonomous college compared to non-autonomous colleges. Now coming back to the RRCE, so the address is Ramoli Cross Kumbalgudu Mysore Road, and talking about, they have good number of courses, but the new entrance or the trending courses which have come from the computer side is like computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning. You have robotics and automation, computer science engineering, and CSD. So a lot of computer science options are also there, and it's available at prettier lower ranks also. So you can consider that if your ranks are lower. So this is the complete mobile number, contact details if you want to contact college for some queries. Now I'll directly jump to the placements part of it. A lot of students are looking for the overall placement details branch wise, which I'm covering here. So it's a complete. So the type of companies you saw last year was like TCS Ninja package 3.36 lakhs, around 2 students. TCS Digital 2 students, package is 7.6 lakhs. Then small companies like Freshpay, Go Goa, and are there, or Code Young, which has taken 15 students and 2 students, package around 3 to 4 lakhs. Code Young has given higher salary, which is around 5 students at the package of 7.3 lakhs. And you can see a lot of placements are happening in CSC and the ECE branches, which are more predominant, right? So further you see companies in the mostly in the range of 3 to 4 lakhs, and one company 9 lips has given 3 students, package 6 lakhs. Another company synthesis system, they have given the higher package 8.35 lakhs, one student again from CSC department. Then few more companies you can see, Mastech Quadgen, which has taken 13 students at the package of 3.5 lakh rupees. In the same sheet you also see some students who got placed from Triple E, MBA and the MCA batch also. Now moving forward, you see more companies like Honeywell, which is a good company, 5 students, and they've taken pretty much from computer science, information science engineering, ECE, Triple E, and 6 lakhs package. Then smaller companies again, Canini and Textron. Then Global Quest is again a good company, 13 students they have taken as a mass recruitment. Care Health Insurance, 12 students. So some mass recruitment is also happening. And then you see another company which is IntelliPet, which is the high 12 students they have taken, good number of students. Package is also higher, 9 lakhs package at IntelliPet, right? Then again some more smaller companies like Wintras and Vistas Learning and all those are there. Then 13 students are at Vistas learning in the package range of 3 to 8 lakhs, right? And then entity data, which is very good company, and they have also taken 9 students, but the salary is lower side, around 3 lakhs, but the company is good. And then another company which is there, one paper research, right, 12 students at the package of 5 lakhs. Some more companies like Palette Technologies, 19 students got placed, and Main Tech, which is a SCL company, some 10 students got placed. Tikona, around 6 students. And one of the mass recruitment was in this sheet, like Winters. You can see Winters, 50 students got placed in the package range of 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. So you can see most of the placements are coming from CSC, ISC, ECE branches and Triple E. So those should be the main target if you are trying in this college. Now the next sheet, again you see 29 students got placed with a company called Foxconn, and mostly ECE students, right? 23 students of ECE out of 29. Then you see, all of the other companies, like 17 students in small company called Skyloop. And you see IBM also, 3 students who got placed with 5.5 lakhs. And also the 40th number, Lightning Technologies in Jigni, right? 23 students from ECE. So ECE is also seeing good placements. And further, if you see the branch wise, highest number of placements for CSC, 107 students, and ECE 119. So rest of the branches, the placement, even information science engineering placement is less. So you can go for CSC and ECE, both the branches. 346 total students got placed, which you can see in this sheet. So that's all I have to cover. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.